Hey, to connect Redmi Watch 4 with any Android smartphone, in this case I'm using the Samsung, but it actually works the same for any other, like for example the Realme, Xiaomi, Pocophone or any other brand that you have. So first of all we have to turn on our smartwatch by using this button, this one. We have to click and hold it until we will get the Mi logo on the screen, and after this we will be redirected into the language selection. So we have to pick our language, and from this I will have to get this information: download Mi Fitness on your phone to connect your watch. So what we have to do right now, just simply grab our smartphone and open the Google Play Store. Now we have to go into the search and input Mi Fitness phrase. And that's actually the application that we have to download, so click to install. And now we have to just wait for the downloading. Also, and this time when it is downloading, I can recommend you to turn on the Bluetooth and the location on your smartphone. So as you can see, in my case, I turn on the Bluetooth, but location is actually turned on already. So now just wait for the installation process, and after this we'll go for another steps. It's actually quite simple. You don't have to worry about this connection. I can guide you step by step. If it actually takes too much time, just go back and open it one more time. And as you can see right now, we already have this on the phone. So click open. Now click start. Accept all of these permissions. Actually, you don't need to enroll in the user experience program. You can only select read and agree to user agreements. Click agree. Now we have to pick our region. If for some reason there's like different region, you can just click on it and select any other from this list. But in my case, it's actually the Poland, so I have to click next. And from here, we have to click on the devices and select add device. Now click agree for the Bluetooth and accept another permissions. And as you can see from here, we can actually find the Redmi Watch 4. So click on it, and from here we have to sign in into the Xiaomi account. So that's what I'm gonna do. But if you don't have the Xiaomi account, you honestly don't have to create it, because you can use the other sign-in method by using your Google account. So you will actually use the same account that you are using on the Play Store. So you have to just click on it, tap I agree. Now select your Google account from this. Now just wait for the loading screen. It will take a few seconds. There we go. And as you can see, we can actually input our password into the Google account. So let me just do this out of the camera. If you input your password, the next step will be to check your identity. So click send. And now you'll have to go into your mail, open it, and from this you will have to just input this code. So copy this code. Now input it right here and tap to submit. There it is. Now confirm and click to sign into your Xiaomi account. And from this, let's click on the Redmi Watch 4 one more time. Accept the pairing on your phone and on your watch. As you can see, it looks like we are connected. From here we can find some base instruction how we can actually use our watch. Okay, and let's click set. Click set, and from this list you will have to actually select the Mi Fitness application. Click allow, so we'll get the access to the notifications. Then go back, click set, click allow, grant permission to your phone calls and to your contacts. From here we have to input our date of birth. So I'm gonna do this also out of the camera. Click next, then select male or female. Click next. That's your parameters. And wait. Click done. And now we can turn on the automatic synchronization between your devices, And at the end, you can also update firmware. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. On your watch, you can just click start. And as you can see from this, it's actually finished. So yeah, that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.